Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center. We're happy to service all your car and truck service and repair needs. We're open 7 days per week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have mechanics on duty Monday through Saturday. We've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing long-time customers, even the adult kids of those we serviced years ago. Come in, call, schedule an appointment today.
Have you yet heard about the newer type of automatic transmission, the continuously variable transmission, better known as the CVT? This design enables a CVT-powered car to accelerate with strength and smoothness, so smooth it feels effortless. The key difference with the CVT is that it uses a single metal belt, giving it the ability to change its gear ratio continuously as the engine's speed changes. Autolist.com helps explain some of the benefits of getting a CVT and why many car manufacturers have designed dozens of CVT models in the past decade and made them standard equipment. Most believe the CVT provides a smoother experience compared to a traditional automatic transmission or a manual transmission because of its ability to change its gear ratio continuously. A CVT draws top engine power from a small engine, which gives drivers quicker acceleration. They are also lighter weight than traditional automatic transmissions and thus give better gas mileage. As for the driving experience, many notice the CVT car ride is extremely smooth compared to normal automatic transmissions. They also seem to adapt to varying road conditions and power demands to provide a smoother overall ride. But not all drivers consider these things worth it. It's best to carefully compare the pros and cons of a CVT versus automatic as you make the better choice for your needs and preferences.
I'm Brad Heimbigner. Klahanie Chevron is here to help you, which is why we offer monthly car tips videos.